Ever brushed against a plant that left you with an itchy, burning sensation? Chances are, you've encountered stinging nettle. This plant, known scientifically as Urtica dioica, is notorious for the tiny hair-like needles that cover its leaves and stems. They're sharp enough to pierce skin and release a cocktail of chemicals that cause that infamous sting. Stinging nettle is a resilient plant that thrives in a variety of climates, from the wet English countryside to the dry African savanna. It's a common sight in many parts of the world, often found along riverbanks, in forests, and even in urban areas. And though you might feel a strong urge to steer clear of it after an unwelcome prickly encounter, there's more to this plant than meets the eye. While it might seem like a nuisance, this humble plant holds many surprises within its leaves. So, let's delve deeper into the world of stinging nettle and discover the hidden benefits it can offer. Stinging nettle isn't all prickles and pain. It's also a source of nutrition, but knowing when and what to harvest is crucial. The best times to harvest stinging nettle are early spring and fall. These seasons bring forth the most nutrient-rich plants, offering a bounty of benefits for your health. When it comes to what part of the plant to gather, focus on the young plants or the top third of older ones. These parts are tender and packed with valuable nutrients. Remember, stinging nettle didn't get its name for nothing. Its leaves and stems are covered with tiny sharp hairs that can cause a painful sting. So don't forget to gear up with gloves and long sleeves before you start harvesting. Now that you're familiar with the when and what of harvesting stinging nettle, you're all set. Armed with this knowledge, you're ready to safely harvest your own stinging nettle. Stinging nettle is more than just a plant, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Bursting with vitality, this humble plant boasts an impressive nutritional profile. It's packed with a wide array of vitamins including vitamin A, C, and K, and minerals like iron, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining good health and strengthening our body's defenses. But the power of stinging nettle doesn't stop there. This potent plant is also a rich source of antioxidants. These compounds play a crucial role in protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals, thus helping to keep diseases at bay. Moreover, stinging nettle is loaded with plant compounds called flavonoids and polyphenols. These have been linked to various health benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving heart health, and even slowing down aging. With all these nutrients packed into one plant, it's clear why stinging nettle has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. From ancient remedies to modern medicine, stinging nettle has a wide range of therapeutic uses. This green gem of nature is a powerhouse of nutrients and compounds that have been known to promote health and wellness. Let's delve into its therapeutic properties. Stinging nettle is a natural anti-inflammatory. This means it can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially providing relief for conditions like arthritis. Its anti-inflammatory properties could also aid in the management of allergies, easing symptoms and discomfort. The benefits don't stop there. Stinging nettle has shown promise as a treatment for benign prostatic hyperplasia, a condition that causes enlargement of the prostate gland. This is due to its potential to inhibit the hormone that triggers prostate growth. But remember, always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new herbal regimen. Stinging nettle isn't just a plant, it's nature's pharmacy. So, how can you start reaping the benefits of stinging nettle today? It's simpler than you might think. Stinging nettle can be incorporated into your diet in several ways. For instance, it makes a great addition to soups and stews, adding a unique earthy flavor. You can also blend it into a green smoothie. This not only gives your drink a nutrient boost, but also a vibrant green color. And for tea lovers out there, stinging nettle tea is a must-try. It's refreshing, invigorating, and packed with health benefits. But it's not just about what you can eat or drink. Stinging nettle can be used topically too. It's a key ingredient in many skincare products thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. So whether it's a stinging nettle-infused lotion or a soothing face mask, you can reap its benefits externally as well. With a little creativity, stinging nettle can easily find a place in your daily routine. Ready to put your harvested stinging nettle to use? Here's a simple and delicious recipe. Now don't let the word stinging frighten you off. Once cooked, these nettles lose their sting and transform into a delightful ingredient. First things first, let's prepare the nettles. You'll need about 1 kilogram. Ensure they are washed thoroughly. Then blanch them in boiling water for a couple of minutes to remove the sting. Once done, drain the water and chop them finely. Now, heat 3 to 4 spoons of cooking oil in a pan. Add 2 medium-sized, thinly sliced onions and sauté until they turn golden brown. This process brings out the sweetness of the onions, adding a layer of complexity to our dish. While the onions are browning, peel and mince 5 to 6 garlic cloves. Once the onions are ready, add the minced garlic to the pan. Garlic and onions together? Yes please. The combination is a flavor powerhouse that will make your dish sing. Next, add the chopped stinging nettles into the pan and stir well. Cook for about 10 minutes, allowing the nettles to absorb the flavors of the onion and garlic. Now, it's time for our creamy ingredients. Add 200 grams of cream cheese and 100 milliliters of cooking cream to the pan. Stir well until everything combines into a creamy, dreamy mix. The cream cheese adds a tangy richness, while the cooking cream gives our dish a velvety finish. Finally, season with salt and pepper to taste. Remember, seasonings are like the frame of a painting. They enhance and bring out the beauty of the main ingredients. And voila! There you have it, a tasty and nutritious dish featuring the humble yet powerful stinging nettle that can be served along a creamy polenta or a bowl of rice. With this recipe, you're well on your way to enjoying the many benefits of stinging nettle. Stinging nettle is a prime example of not judging a book by its cover. This humble plant, packed with nutrients and therapeutic properties, is a hidden gem in the world of wellness. From its harvest to its culinary uses, we've uncovered the secrets of this prickly yet potent green. It's a simple addition to your diet that can boost your health significantly. Now that you're armed with this knowledge, why not give stinging nettle a chance in your life? And remember, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.